Sunshine Little Tiger, and today I'm going to teach about tigers. Tigers are the only striped wild cats. Tigers are mammals and they live in Asia, parts of Asia. They eat several kinds of animals, especially deer and wild pigs. They growl, snarl, grunt, moan, hiss, roar, and there is more sound. They have 2 to 6 babies at a time. The tiger is the largest wild cat. No two tigers have exactly the same pattern of stripes, just like our fingerprints. Tigers hunt by sneaking up on the animals they want to catch. And then I guess they jump out to attack. I guess it doesn't say that in here, but I'm pretty sure that's how they do it. Okay. A tiger's stripes help it stay hidden. Its orange, black, and white coat blends in with plants and shadows. Tigers are good swimmers. They can swim all the way across a river. Tigers soak in streams or ponds to cool off. Tiger brothers and sisters play, just like kids. I guess it doesn't say that, but kids play. While they wrestle and chase each other, their mother is close by to keep them safe. Tiger cubs stay with their mother until they're about 2 years old. Whoa, that's young. At least for a human kid. That's the information about tigers I have. And there's a little game thing. So, can you use your finger to trace the outline of this tiger? Okay. So, you can pause the video to do it, okay? So, that's all I have for tigers today. Bye!